Phase diagram of carbon dioxide. You should be able to sketch this phase diagram by your own. On the y-axis, pressure. On the x-axis, temperature. You should also label solid, liquid, and gas area. You must also label triple point for carbon dioxide, 5.2 atm and negative 57 degrees Celsius. You should also label critical point for carbon dioxide, 73 atm and 31 degrees Celsius. The yellow circle shows that the phase diagram of CO2 exhibits the positive slope. Positive slope means solid-liquid equilibrium line slightly to the right. At 1 atm, carbon dioxide is a solid, below temperature negative 57 degrees Celsius. Above this temperature, it is a gas. The triple point of carbon dioxide will occur at 5.2 atm and negative 57 degrees Celsius. Below this point, carbon dioxide cannot exist as a liquid. And you must also know, at 1 atm, solid carbon dioxide does not melt but sublime when heated. And at 1 atm also, carbon dioxide cannot be a liquid no matter what the temperature. Look at the phase diagram. Note that the 1 atm here. And we can see that the phase involved here is only solid and gas. That's why at 1 atm, solid carbon dioxide does not melt but is sublime. Phase diagram of water. You should be able to sketch this phase diagram by your own. On the y-axis, pressure. On the x-axis, temperature. This time, we use Kelvin instead of degrees Celsius. You should also label solid, liquid, gas area. Label the triple point for the water, which is 6 times 10 to the power negative 3 atm and 273.01 Kelvin. Also label the critical point 218 atm and 374 Kelvin. Yellow circles show that the phase diagram of water exhibit negative slope, means that solid-liquid equilibrium line slightly to the left. You must also know, in the phase diagram of water, at 1 atm, we can see between solid-liquid equilibrium line, the normal melting point, and between liquid and gas equilibrium line, normal boiling point. Water is a unique substance in many ways. One of the special properties in the fact that solid water ice less than liquid water. That will explain to you the anomalous behavior of water, why the phase diagram of water have the negative slope. Ice is less dense than liquid water because the ice occupies a bigger volume than a liquid water. The volume of the ice is greater than the volume of the water liquid. This is because the hydrogen bonding that hold the water molecules ice apart, which give open structure of the ice. We already learned this from the previous chapter, chemical bonding.